so cold. I don't know how long I can stay out. So I'm gonna walk down here. Sorry, I had to put my gloves on. A bit frigid. Okay. Here's the snow. It's currently up to my waist. So that's why I'm walking out here. I started the Suburban. Yeah, she's gonna have a hard time getting out of the driveway. It's up to my waist. I don't know if it's hard. I don't know. But it's definitely, and it's still snowing. I can't believe it's still snowing. Oh. I know. You're lucky you're not here, Bob. Where I'm standing, it's almost up to my waist. So I came back. And oh, brr. Okay. I'm gonna go back in because I'm freezing. And the snow is too deep. Well, I might come out in a little bit after I warm up, but it's a bit too cold. That's my knees. And there's a little kitten I'm trying to catch. Okay. I love the church music. Oh my goodness. It is quite frigid. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of the driveway because it's past the, it's up to my waist, then it's past the hood of the Suburban. Wait, yeah. Oh, brr. Okay. I've never had snow. I've only been here not very long, but I've never had snow all the way up to the door. All right, well, I'm freezing. I'm gonna have to let everybody go. Okay, there'll be more snow. It's still snowing. Burr. All right, have a great day, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.